Clerical Affairs Office as the lead agency, allocating funds therefore and for other purposes. The recommendation of the Committee on Culture and Tourism, deferment of proposed ordinance number 2-2026.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola.
under committee report, item number 8, proposed ordinance number 2-2026, I move for adoption of the committee report.
Any second?
I second the motion.
Any
Madam Chair.
objection?
Madam Chair,
Honorable De Castro.
Mark, deferment of the ordinance or deferment of the committee hearing?
Deferment of proposed ordinance number 2-2026. Nakabutang din po na the proponent did not.
Naka-defer an ordinance itself.
Ang committee hearing siguro.
Ang committee hearing, ang diri na daw. So, dinefer an committee hearing. Pero diri kay an ordinance.
Due absent of the proponent.
Ano lang, clarify.
Sino ang chairman, sir?
So, with amendment. With amendment.
Kasi kung deferment of the ordinance, parang naging recommendations ng committee is i-defer an implementations on ordinance. Di ba? Deferment of the committee hearing. To conduct another committee. Para pa ng author.
Okay. So, there's a pending motion by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola.
Madam Chair,
Second naman.
wait, amendment yun kay...
With amendment.
Ang nakabutang kanina is unproposed ordinance and deferred.
Seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Tabi, Madam.
The committee report and the Committee on Tourism is approved with amendment.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is item number 3.
3.
Proposed resolution number 2026-011. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Gumeo Gordola, to enter into and sign memorandum of agreement with Dr. Lalaine V. Oida, pediatric neurologist, for the implementation of the project entitled Pediatric Neurology Consultation, Specialized Consultation and Evaluation of Neurological Disorders, including rare conditions, and appropriating funds therefore. The recommendation: due to the absence of the resource person, the committee hereby recommends for the deferment of PR number 2026-011 and discuss this instead in the regular session with the resource persons be invited.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po for the item number 3 under committee report. Maybe we can change the instead na absence po, excuse po sira kasi nasa official travel po sira that time. Nasa Sorsogon po sa mga
Wait lang tabi. Kay nasa ano pa po kita. We're still bound by the rules.
sorry anyway, ano po, may bisita man pupunta kita yadi si Sir Norbin Higanto ka. Anyway, ano na lang po, reschedule na lang po kay dapat baga joint committee po inisan committee on APRO and health. So kay puwanta po sin representative from the budget and at the same time from the RHU. Opo. So anyadi po ang representative sa PIDAW. Okay po. So i-reschedule na lang po nato for another committee hearing po ini. Ayato man po sa recommendation po, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Motion?
Motion for adoption na lang po.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of the chairman, Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Rector Valeriano, the committee report on the joint committee on health and committee on budget, the budget on appropriations being the lead committee, is approved and adopted.
Our third committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, item number 2 and 4. Proposed resolution number 2026-012, SK 2026 Annual Budget of Calumagon, Zone 7 and SK San Francisco. Proposed resolution number 2026-010, 2026 Barangay Annual Budget of Bunga, Zone 6, Santa Teresita, Inararan, Palale, Sagrada, Otavi, and Antipolo. The recommendation of the Committee on Appropriations and Budget: foregoing premises considered, the committee hereby recommends for the approval and inclusion in the second reading the proposed resolution number 2026-010, Otavi Zone 6, Santa Teresita, Inararan, Palale, Sagrada, and Antipolo, and PR number 2026-012, SK Calumagon, SK Zone 7, and SK San Francisco, and reschedule for another committee hearing for the annual budget of Barangay Bunga.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. Under committee report po, items number 2 and 4. So, may po ini mga amendments sa total san budget po san Otavi, and ano ba ito? Mark, pa note na lang po ha. Sabi. Kay sa title lang po, Madam Chair, pero ang total lang po during sa nag-committee hearing po kami, is tama man po, intiro, sa title lang po nagkamali,
Agenda.
instead of 4 million, nasa 6 point something po ini. Mama lang po. So, motion for adoption and approval po sa committee report, items number 2 and 4, except tabi sa Barangay Bunga.
I second the motion.
Second the motion.
Motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola and Honorable Lenita Guelas. The committee report on the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our fourth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, item number 11, and item number 5 under business for the day, kaya naka-refer po ito sa Committee on Appropriation. Proposed Resolution number 2025-586, MDC Resolution number 27, Series of 2025, entitled Resolution Approving and Endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan for their adoption and approval of realignment of lot acquisition for A. Bonifacio under 20% Development Fund for 2025 for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program AIP 2025, and Proposed Resolution number 2026-007, Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign a Memorandum of Agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the Karamanghod Organization of Barangay J. Herona, Bula, Sorsogon for the procurement of organizational uniforms in the amount of 20,000 pesos. The recommendation of the Committee on Appropriations and Budget for archival of PR number 2025-586 and disapproval of PR number 2026-007.
Please read the findings.
We only have one finding for proposed resolution number 2025-586. Councilor John Rainier Gordola stated that Honorable Romeo Gordola already withdrew the funds.
Hindi.
And
Madam Chair, thank you. For the item number 11, proposed resolution number 2025-86, MDC resolution number 27 series of 2020 entitled Resolution approving and endorsing to the Sangguniang Bayan for their adoption and approval of realignment of lot acquisition for A. Bonifacio under 20% Development Fund for 2025 for inclusion in the Annual Investment Program or AIP 2025. Madam Chair, withdraw na po ini ni Mayor Mio na resolution. Dire po ang fund.
okay.
Opo. With regards po sa na MDC Reso, withdraw na po ini sa Mayor's Office po. So, mao po ito ang findings.
Winidraw na niya to na previous resolution?
Yes po, Madam Chair. Kasi po, parang nag-atras na po ata ang seller. Mao po ang bati ko po. An update po sa to.
Winidraw an NDC resolution?
Opo, Madam Chair. Kaya winidraw po ini na MDC Reso kasi nag-atras na po ang seller sa lote. So, they were na po ini. We have no use for this MDC Reso po, Madam Chair.
Okay, pwede ba yun? Na i-withdraw ang ano? Anyway, maulang po ito ang ano.
And the other finding for proposed resolution number 2026-007, that as per Councilor John Wayne Gordola, this measure could not be approved by the Sangguniang Bayan as the solicitor is a private organization and this can be coursed through a direct solicitation to the mayor. Ang manungod naman po tabi ni sa Karamanghod Organization of Barangay J. Herona.
Okay, motion?
Motion for adoption for the committee reports po, Madam Chair.
Second
Items
motion.
number 11, and anong item ito tayo, Mark? Number 5?
Apo.
Yun po.
Second motion.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano and Honorable Unita Guelas. The committee report in the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted. Did you see number 5?
Iba nga ni po, Madam
Ah.
Chair. Diri siya number 5 sa amo. Sa, ano?
Dire, nakabutang kasi sa business board na din.
Business?
Ay, singit dito. Dito na yun.
Okay. Okay.
Amang hindi nga.
Apo.
Ay, stock board na iputang niya naman. Tapos sa committee report.
Item number 13, submitted by the Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use Development. Item number 13, proposed resolution number 2025-581, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to execute a deed of donation of a parcel of land owned by the municipal government of Bulan, identified as survey number 1056, lot number 003, block 01, located at Barangay Imelda, open and close parenthesis, Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon, with an area of 2,000 square meters in favor of the Barangay Government of Imelda or Aquino, this municipality, for the purpose of establishing a barangay site and the construction of a covered court. The recommendation of the Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use, deferment of PR number 2025-581 and reschedule for another committee hearing.
Motion?
Madam Chair, motion for adoption and approval
Second,
of the committee
Madam Chair.
report.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Alair Guelas, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola and Honorable Lenita Guelas. The committee report, the Committee on Land Use and Urban Housing is approved and adopted.
Our sixth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Item number 7, 10, 12, 20, 21, and 22. Proposed Resolution Number 2026-006, Barangay Argerona Ordinance Number 001, isang ordinansang nagtatakda ng mahigpit na alituntunin sa pag-aalaga ng baboy or babuyan o backyard piggery sa loob ng Barangay Argerona, Bayan ng Bulan, lalawigan ng Sorsogon, at nagpapataw ng kaukulang parusa sa mga lalabag dito. Proposed Resolution Number 2025-592, Barangay Managanaga Ordinance Number 5, entitled an ordinansa na nagbabawal sa pagtambay o paglalakad ng walang damit sa pampublikong lugar at nagbabawal sa paninigarilyo sa nasasakupan ng Barangay Managanaga at pagpapataw ng naaangkop na parusa. Proposed Resolution Number 2025-587, Barangay Argerona Ordinance Number 003, kautosang pambarangay ng Argerona na sumasaklaw sa pagbabawal sa pagpasok sa mga pribadong lupain sa lahat ng lupa na nasasakupan ng Barangay Argerona at pagpapataw ng kaparusahan sa mga mahuhuling kumukuha ng mga produkto at pananim sa mga pribadong lupain, mga penalidad at kaugnay na talakayin. Proposed Resolution Number 2025-487, Barangay Sumagongsong Ordinance Number 006 Series of 2025, entitled Isang Ordinansa na nagbabawal sa pagkakalat ng chismis, paninirang puri, at irresponsableng pagpopost sa social media na nakakasira sa kapwa at naglalaan ng kaukulang parusa ukol dito. Proposed Resolution Number 2025-486, Barangay Sumagongsong Ordinance Number 005, Series of 2025, entitled Ordinansa na nagtatakda ng mga alituntunin sa tamang pag-aalaga ng mga aso, papanagutan ng mga may-ari at parusa sa mga lumalabag na nasa jurisdiction ng Barangay Sumagungsong, Bulan, Sorsogon. Proposed Resolution Number 2025-493, Barangay Butag Ordinance Number 6, Series of 2025 entitled, An Ordinance Establishing Rules and Regulations Governing the Operation and Management of Barangay Talipapa in Barangay Butag proper and providing penalties for violation thereof. The recommendation of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, approval with amendments for proposed resolution number 2025-493, Butag Ordinance, proposed resolution number 2025-486, Sumagungsong Ordinance, proposed resolution number 2026-006, Argerona Ordinance, proposed resolution number 2025-592, Barangay Managanaga Ordinance, and deferment of proposed resolution number 2025-5487, Sumagungsong Ordinance, and proposed resolution number 2025-587, another ordinance from Barangay Argerona.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable
The items number 10, number 17, 21, and 22. The items number 17, the Barangay Argerona. The items number 10 is the Barangay Managanaga. And the items number 21 is the Barangay Butag. The items 22 is the Barangay Sumagungsong. Madam Chair, the 4 items, I motion for approval. And this item 21, the Barangay Butag, motion for approval with amendment. Madam Chair. And items number 12 and number 20, this proposal of the Barangay Sumagungsong entitled sa ordinansa sa pagbabawal sa pagkalat ng chismis at paninirang puri. And items number 12, the Barangay Argerona, kautusang pang barangay na nagsasaklaw sa pagbabawal sa pagpasok ng pribadong mga lupain. Madam Chair, these 2 items, Madam Chair, is deferment with amendment, Madam Chair. These items, Madam Chair, under the committee report of the Barangay Affairs, Madam Chair, I motion for approval, Madam Chair.
Second motion.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Rodel Hililio, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Lenita Guelas, the committee report in the Committee on Barangay Affairs is approved and adopted.
With the indulgence of our August body, Your Honor, ihapot ko lang po tabi sa Council kung okay po ba na i-present ko ang committee report ni Councilor Dandin. Since wala siya.
Ako man po ang Vice Chairman.
Apo. Kaya i-submit po kaya sa ako.
May signed man san committee chair and committee report?
Diri tabi. Ang Vice Chairman lang ang tulo na members. Item number 23 po ini. Apo.
Valid ba ang saro na committee report kung wala pirma sa committee chair? Based sa internal rules ta. Lalo na kung diri siya present.
Parang diri ada
So,
pwede kasi wala perman
San committee chair?
chairman opo.
Mao.
Pwede kayo ma-deny eh.
Oo. Lalo na, kung may pirma siya, niyan, may pirma siya doon, tapos ikaw ang pwede. Pero kung wala siya pirma, opo. So, basahon ta na lang pag-abot na lang niya.
Kasi
Okay
Madam
po,
Chair,
Madam
ang committee report, insasabit man yung before the agenda eh.
Mao.
So, may time ko ta sa Friday. Na mapili.
Oo.
Yati pa kontra siya sa Friday.
Okay po, Madam Chair.
Next item, Your Honor, is item number 25. Proposed Ordinance Number 43-2026, an ordinance institutionalizing the Municipal Tertiary Scholarship Program of Bulan, Sorsogon for indigent but deserving students, providing funds therefore and for other purposes. The recommendation of the Committee on Education, approval with amendment of proposed Ordinance Number 43, and the above-mentioned recommendations and suggestions be incorporated in the ordinance.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Okay na po, Mark. Madam Chair, with that proposed ordinance po, motion for adoption po sa committee report and approval po. Thank you.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Hililio, the committee report and the Committee on Education is approved and adopted.
Our 8th committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Joint Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use Development and Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Item number 35, proposed resolution number 2025-117, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the local chief executive to grant financial assistance to the Barangay Council of Barangay Libertad of this municipality amounting 100,000 pesos for the acquisition of lot with an area of 22 square meters as right-of-way, intended for the Barangay Access Road in Barangay Libertad, Bulan, Sorsogon. The recommendation of the committee, of the joint committees, deferment of proposed resolution number 2025-117 and discuss this instead in the regular session with the resource persons be invited.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. Since yadi po si Kap Badong San Libertad, motion to suspend the House rules po.
Second, Madam Chair.
House rules suspended. Good morning, Tabi Kap. Headed. Love. Honorable J.R.
Yes po. Thank you, Madam Chair. Since nawat na po ini, so nagkamayon po since separate na committee hearing during last year po si committee chair San Land Use po si Councilor Aler and mayon man po San sa APRO. So diri po siya joint. So separate po siya. Iba ang findings po sa appropriations is approval kasi ready na po ang fund.
Budget.
Opo. Ang findings mo po sa land use, yadi na po si Councilor Aler.
Thank you, Councilor J.R. Gordola. Madam Chair, good morning. Opo, diri po ini na-approve sa Committee on Land Use dahilan po sa wala pa po sin appraisal report ini po sa ini po na property ini po na 22 square meters halip po sa provincial assessor's office. Hanggang niyan po as confirmed by the barangay captain, Kapitan Gutay. Batiyon na lang po si si Kap.
Apo, saan umaabot kaya na pray? Mauna lang ang inuhulat.
Mauna lang po ninulat.
Apo. Kap.
Ala ko sa assessor office, inasikaso na daw niraan kung ano kaso. An mapagangani kay bagan permi nadidilian ko anong an paglakaw nira. So sabi nira paggato ko okay na daw kay nag-inspection na dito sa nakaagi. Kaso hanggang niya na appraisal pro pa man pag-abot sa barangay me. Pero sabi nira okay na daw kaya lang ang papel wala pa ma'am.
An papelan kay ipuhan.
Opo, ma'am.
So, magiging requirement man yun ni accountant eh.
Yes po.
Pag bago mag-disburse o kaipuhan talaga yan to ng papel. Danon na lang siguro kita mag-follow up.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
Actually, during sa committee hearing, namo so parang in emphasize namo sa to na dapat maaraman ang assessed value para diri masalaan ang LGU sin nagbakal sin overpriced na property. Kaysa 22 square meters and sa amount na 100,000, almost nag-aabot siya sa 4,000 per square or 3,800 per square. So, kay puha nato mapashare to, nadiri siya above sa fair market value. E kung magsobra, baka may yun sa ato liability na nagbakal kita sin sa overpriced property. So, doon sa appraisal report hali sa province.
So, Madam
So,
Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Sorry po, Madam Chair, and thank you po. Kapatong, willing po tabi ang Barangay Libertad na magulat tabi sa appraisal tabi.
Wala man problema kami maski nano na oras or kuano kay bagandiri man totally in sisibot sa tag sa diri Kay anin ko kan lang an kung ano ang pinag-irestoryahan di sa kuang kun san o an sabi nira yato na 100,000 sira na an entero malakawsan ko ano pati ang pagpa transfer sa lote san right of way. Di man kami totally ko ano insisibot nira. Basta lang maaraman nira kung mababakal talaga o maaproban sa munisipyo.
Mao naman lang po ang inuhulat ito na appraisal report. Once na okay naman na po siguro sa committee. Madano na lang siguro kita pag follow up para maano ko nasukol na di ma-follow up na lang para ma-produce yad to na papel. Kay later on, pag pre-process naman na yun na check, ayun man gihapon ni accountant yun na appraisal report.
Yes po, Madam.
Oh, okay. So, mahulat na lang talaga si Cap.
In kung niya to tabi ma'am, in sokol na.
Follow up na lang.
Kaya lang an papel na lang an kulang.
Opo, Madam.
Okay, so once okay na ito, okay naman.
Okay
Po,
po.
so,
Salamat.
motion.
Madam Chair, tabi. Motion to for the resumption of the House rules po.
Second.
House rules resumed. Motion for
Ano na lang po.
i-include naman yan doon ng mga insabi ni Cap
Yes po,
dito
Madam
sa committee report niya. So with amendment.
Opo, Madam Chair.
Motion.
Motion for adoption po, Madam Chair.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, the committee report on the Joint Committee on Appropriations and Land Use is approved and adopted with amendment to insert the findings as stated by Kapitan Gutay today. Thank you, Kap. Tabi.
I shall now proceed to the business for the day. For our unfinished business item number 1, proposed ordinance number 44-2025, an ordinance mandating all barangays in the municipality of Bulan Sorsogon to designate a Barangay Sustainable Livelihood Program or SLP officer to assist the Department of Social Welfare and Development in the monitoring and implementation of sustainable livelihood programs.
Any motion?
Okay. Madam Chair, this proposed ordinance of mandating of Barangay Municipality of Bulan Sorsogon to designate a Barangay Sustainable Livelihood Program. Madam Chair, since nagkaigo naman po sinsing committee hearing, kaupod po ang ato po DSWD. So Madam Chair, I motion for approval and adoption. Madam.
Before the approval, may final draft na po ini.
Oh.
May final na po na ordinansa.
Wala pa po tabi sa ako na present na amended draft or amended copies in the ordinance, Your Honor.
Madam Chair, pwede mag-suggest sa Secretariat na pag nabubutang na sa calendar of business, attach na final draft.
Supposed to be.
Dapat di ba? Kasi para kay doon kaya masulod ang deliberation sa plenary.
Okay.
Para at least, kaya minsan liwat kaya may mga legislation kita na 3 to 4 weeks ago pa in-attach ang mga documents. Pag abot na sa approval, minsan di na naimod ang final eh.
Nandiri parehas eh.
Yan,
Minsan
diri-
nasasala.
Minsan po, Madam Chair, diri na amend ang mga kaipon i-amend.
Maski sa barangay.
Opo. Kaya, ano na lang po. Tama po sabi ni Councilor doon. For the, I-remind ko lang po si Mr. Secretary na.
Okay. So, noted on...
Noted, Your Honor.
Noted. Pag second reading na or
Oo.
kaipuhan na po ang final.
Okay,
Maski yan sa mga barangay
Yes,
resolutions.
Maupo, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Hililio.
the motion is i-deferred muna kasi wala pa pala siya sin na
Okay.
draft na ordinance.
Withdraw.
Motion for withdrawal, the motion
Okay
for
po.
approval.
So, this item is deferred pending the submission of the final draft of the ordinance.
Clarification sa part na mo na secretariat para lang po klaro din sa amo. For halimbawa po tabi ang saro na measure in committee hearingan tapos and recommendations and committees approval with amendment. So the following Monday po baga ikukuhaan ang committee report i-adapt. Pagka masunod na Lunes, dapat masunod na sa second reading yan to na mga dapat i-amend na measures. So sabi po baga kanina dapat pag ibubutang namo sa second reading kapag may unasin mga amended attachment. My question is kung halimbawa tabi wala pa sin isasubmit sa amo ng mga amendments, so di pa po namo sira ibubutang sa second reading maski adopted na sa committee
Wala
level.
pa
So
final.
hanging manggihapon sira ihahang gihapon namo sa committee.
Sa committee lang.
Okay, noted, Your Honor.
Para dili kita mapagal. Minsan nagkapabara lang.
Okay, minsan, an final na naat pipirmahan ta pa, minsan, grabe ang mga ini-edit pa.
Noted po, Your Honor.
So Madam Chair, parang mangyari, stay siya sa committee report.
Committee report.
Nakabutang lang sa baba na parang pending for the
Amendment, submission of
amendment.
amendment.
Yes po.
Noted, Your Honor.
Kasi para sa mga na-approve niya tapos i-include sa second reading, so dili pwede kay wala final draft.
Mao.
Unless,
wala-
final
wala
mo na
amendment.
draft, unless wala ka amendment, pwede.
May amendment lang
May amendment,
dili na
mao
pwede
lang.
yan,
Oo.
for inclusion sa second reading.
Kay usually mga barangay, insist statement sa committee hearing kung may
Yes po.
amendment. Pag wala man amendment, di okay, diretso na. Oo. Pag may amendments
May
na.
amendment lang ang ibibili.
Madam Chair, tabi.
Honorable JR.
With regards po sa amendments, para sa kanina na mention ko po na sa title lang po ang may problema. Sa
content.
content, okay po. Sa title po, paras po niyan, sa committee hearing po, diri pa po napalitan gihapon na ang findings and committee is, ang title dapat na amend na konta dito during sa
Committee hearing.
committee report. Di ba po, nag-committee hearing na. Tapos, ang findings and committee po sa APRO is, ang title kay po ang i-amend. Tapos, nag-agi na po niyan sa regular session. Dapat na-amend na konta ito na title kasi ang findings.
Maong gihapon.
Tapos, the same lang po sa ano. Opo.
Okay.
Bawal lang po.
Oo. Once adopted na ang committee report, automatic ma-amend na ang title. Di pwede na po siya ipa...
Okay po, Madam Chair.
Okay, motion? May motion na?
Nag-withdraw na.
Withdraw.
Withdrawn the motion, so
Defer na lang po, Madam Chair. Motion for deferment.
deferment by Honorable...
Pero pending na san draft po.
Okay.
Final draft.
Final draft, ay sorry.
And motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Helilio. The item number 1, proposed ordinance number 44-2025 is deferred pending the submission of the proposed ordinance with amendments.
Item number 2 under unfinished business, proposed resolution number 2025-551, endorsement for application of new cockfighting franchise, RNH Cockpit Arena.
Madam Chair.
Honorable Alerguelas.
Last week po, nag-attend ako sa committee hearing sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan with regards po doon sa ordinance na revocating the franchise of Mr. Gabito sa sa Bulan Cockpit Arena. Approved na po ito sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan. So I think, Madam Chair, we can proceed with the new application. So I move for this proposed resolution 2025-551.
For?
Madam Chair,
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
wala siya sin draft.
Final draft.
Pangduwa, di rin naka-attach ang franchise agreement. Kay usually sa franchise agreement, naka-indicate kung how many years ang mga fees, ang mga duties sa applicant. Pares po san kan gabito, may unsa to sin franchise, nakaboltang dito, which is mao naging basis sa treasury na binalga sa ni Mr. Gabito and conditions indicated sa franchise, sa contract. So, dapat siguro may contract man ini. Kay, like for example, pera ba ang annual na babayadan, pera ang percent, pera ang duties sa franchisor.
So,
Nag-committee hearing na po sa day.
wala.
Yes po, Madam Chair.
Presente po ang franchisee.
Karamo pala. O, di ka.
Present po ang franchisee.
Yes po, ma'am. Madam Chair.
Sino po ang owner sa ano?
Si Romeo Hica po.
Romeo Hicap.
Kagawad.
Okay, so
Anyway, pwede man po i-ano na lang, ibalik sa committee.
ibalik ko
Para-
na lang sa committee
Bisahin
para
na lang.
ma-finalize po ito na franchise na ra.
Sige po.
Final
Okay.
draw.
Ordinance daw po dapat ini diri siya resolution pero siguro during the committee hearing pwede na po i-discuss yun.
Sige po.
Okay. Stated by the committee chair on the Committee on Games and Amusement, these be referred to the committee for another committee hearing.
Our item number 3, proposed ordinance number 35-2025, an ordinance prescribing the rules and regulations governing the operation of municipal slaughterhouse in the municipality of Bulang, Sorsogon, providing penalties for violation thereof, appropriating funds therefore, and for other purposes.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Recto Valeriano.
this is very important to approve this resolution because of the anti-drugs program, the campaign of the PNP, of other criminality campaign. And also,
Slaughterhouse tabi, Madam Chair, dire man
Honorable Recto Valeriano sa slaughterhouse pa lang po kita. Item number 3.
Slaughterhouse.
Under unfinished business.
Sorry. Oh. Sa business for the day pala yun. Thank
Call
you.
to order, Madam.
I-deferred mo na.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, sorry.
under unfinished business, item number 3, on behalf of Honorable Danny A. Corsiga, this slaughterhouse ordinance, public consultation is scheduled this February 2 at 1 p.m. So I move for deferment of this proposed ordinance number 35-2025.
Second, the motion.
Any
Madam Chair.
objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, proposed ordinance number 35-2025 is deferred and the schedule for the second public consultation is February 2, 2026.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Dondon De Castro.
clarification lang sa Secretariat. Nakinasa ano nini business of the day kung nagkakandak pa sin mga committee hearings?
Second reading.
Public consultation.
I mean, public consultation. Kasi di ba after some public consultation, after sin hearings, makandak sa sin committee report.
Kasi usually po baga kapag, Your Honor,
Aha.
usually po baga kapag na-adapt na ang committee report sa ang nangyari po kasi sinibase po sa nasa pa ini committee ni Councilor Chito How, na-adapt na po baga sinian
Chito pala may sala.
Ang
committee
previous.
report.
Ang
So
previous.
nag-move na siya sa second reading.
Yes,
Kaya
yes.
lang, mabalik na po kan Councilor Dandin and committee,
Ano naman siya?
nagsuggest po baga si Councilor How na i-public consultation para maaraman sa mga
Yes.
sa mga tao sa slaughterhouse at mga pagbabago na mangyayari.
Basalo.
So, Madam Chair, ang nangyari po pag po sa ito, nagkamayon sin transition sa sa mga
Committees.
committees.
Okay.
Opo. So, napakadto kay Councilor How inisan nag-succeed po si Councilor Danny Corsiga sa pagka-Vice Mayor po. So, siya po sa toan committee chair, tapos nagkamayon si committee hearing ng public
Na-adapt.
consultation na na-adapt po ni Councilor How, siya pa po ang chairman. At the same time, sa pa-aprobahan na po sa second reading kunta, balik na po si Councilor Dandin as committee chair sa Ways and Means.
Okay.
Mga po, yun ang
Okay.
Tapos na-
Non-required man ano?
Tapos
Required
na
man
konti.
talaga ang
Yes
public
po,
consultation.
public consultation po.
Pasalod mo pa.
Tapos
Okay.
na contain ni
Next
Madam
item.
Chair. Nawara lang.
Our business for the day, item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-025, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Mayor Gordola, to enter into and sign the memorandum of agreement with the barangay government of Zone 7, this municipality, relative to the grant of financial assistance amounting 370,340 pesos for the repair and rehabilitation of the Barangay Multipurpose Hall of Barangay Zone 7, Bulan, Sorsogon, which was severely damaged by Typhoon Uwan.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. Since na-aprobahan ta na po sa niyan una na MOA na po ini.
Kaya mauyad to in sa suggest ni Konsehal
Opo.
Dondon na next time sabay na para
Mao po. Kasi sa accounting
May
pa na po, Madam Chair niyan, ang require po, dapat may MOA na talaga dapat na kaupod ang reso. So, yato na previous is financial assistance po with regards sa inaayo sa Zona 7 na nasa 20% ni sa munisipyo. Mao po ito ang inaprubahan nato. Ini po proposed resolution number 2026-025 is mauna po ini MOA mismo sa to na resolution na financial assistance. So motion for approval po for this resolution number 2026-025.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Azur and Honorable Nenenguelas, proposed resolution number 2026-025 is approved on second reading. Siguro suratan ta na lang si executive na ang mga masunod na request.
Madam Chair, awat ko nin suggestion sa executive. Awat na ako nagsabi so na duwa na pag maayo sin authority from the Sangguniang Bayan na i-authorize si mayor na mag-grant financial assistance, naka-attach na ang MOA. Diretso to enter into MOA. Same sa ninihimo tabi sa land use. Pag na-lot acquisition, naka-attach na diretso ang MOA.
Maliter na lang siguro
Oo.
para
I agree with
maisip sa
Councilor
executive.
Para mas madali. Okay. Next item.
Item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026-024, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Mayor Gordola, to enter into and sign the memorandum of agreement with the barangay government of Calumagon for the grant of financial assistance amounting 250,000 pesos intended for the concreting of Farm to Market Road at Sitio Buntay, Barangay Calumagon, Bulan, Sorsogon.
Muwa man yun eh.
Diri.
Panibago. Ano eh?
Another naman po ini. Kasi Madam Chair po, last year na inayo po nila is wala baga po sa Tupondo. So direto na pondohan
Bagoy.
Okay.
sa Barangay Augmentation Fund. po,
So, kayo na-approve na niyo, may na-approve ka mo last year, di ba?
Yes po.
So, tutukalan lang
Opo. Kaya lang, ang aram po sa to dire po, ito na pondohan last year. So, naaprubahan mo ito, pero ang fund po sa to is ginamit po sa donations pa lang po, Madam Chair. Kung natama ang memory ko, nasa 900,000 po sa to ang ni-realign, almost 1 million ang ni-realign po or sinupplemental po sa munisipyo para tabi sa donations. Kaya lang, ang 300,000 sa to is intended sa donations talaga. Ang 600 naman is ni-realign naman pakadto tabi sa bonus tabi sa mga JO.
Okay.
Ay, mali. Diri po pala bonus. AX palahan. Dito po sa inhatag na tig to 250. 300. Sa Christmas and New Year po. AX po ito na donations. So, mo po ito ang pinagamitan sa 600,000 tabi.
Okay.
So, diri talaga po ini napondohan. Refer na lang po sa proper committee po ini.
Refer to.
Opo.
Okay, this item is referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026-018, certified urgent. Resolution adopting the formulated peace and order and public safety or POPs plan and the local and the Local Anti-Drug Plan of Action, or LADPA, for calendar years 2026 to 2028.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Honorable Recto Valeriano.
Nagkano lang po tabi sa numbering. So, the items proposed resolution number 2026-18 for certified urgent for PAPS plant and LADPA for the calendar years 2026 and 2028. After the series of consultation by our DILG, Ma'am Galanera, to the PNP and other stakeholders of civil society organization, so we have our plan for 2026 to 2028 for a anti-drugs program and anti-criminality campaign and other program of activities of the police community relation. So, Madam Chair, since that this is very urgent resolution, so I move for approval.
Second the motion, Madam
Any
Chair.
objection? Hearing none. In motion of Honorable Recto Valeriano, seconded by Honorable Geoffrey Azur, the proposed resolution number 2026018, proposed resolution adopting the formulated peace and order and public safety plan and the local anti-drug plan of action for calendar year 2026-2028 is approved on second reading.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026-017, certified urgent, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to sign and enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development for the implementation of the supplementary feeding program and milk feeding program in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon.
Continuation man lang yun, di ba? Sa feeding.
May budgetary requirement po ini.
May budgetary requirement daw po.
Pwede po basahon ko na lang ang ano?
Yes.
Draft, okay. Whereas Republic Act number 11037, otherwise known as the Masustansyang Pagkain para sa Batang Pilipino Act, mandates the implementation of a national feeding program to address undernutrition among Filipino children, whereas the Department of Social Welfare and Development is the national government agency mandated to develop, implement, and coordinate the supplementary feeding program and milk feeding program for daycare children, whereas the supplementary feeding program provides at least one fortified meal for undernourished children aged 3 to 5 years old enrolled in public or LGU-run child development centers and supervise the neighborhood play groups for the not less than 120 days in a year, whereas the implementation of the SFP and MFP requires the active participation and cooperation of the local government unit of Bulan in accordance with existing laws, rules, and DSWD guidelines, whereas the local government unit of Bulan recognizes the importance of ensuring proper nutrition, health, and development of children through the effective implementation of the SFP and MFP, whereas a memorandum of agreement has been prepared between the Department of Social Welfare and Development and the local government unit of Bulan requiring authorization from the Sangguniang Bayan for the municipal mayor to sign the same.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Howe.
since wala man sa budgetary annual requirements, so the proposed resolution number 2026017, I move for the approval on second reading.
Second.
Second the motion.
Motion of Honorable Howe, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola and Honorable Neneng Guelas. Proposed resolution number 2026017 is approved on second reading.
Item number 5,
Yearly bagay.
proposed resolution number 2026-007, certified urgent, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign Okay na po.
Tapos na.
Tapos na po ini.
Yes.
Apo.
Nasa committee report po
Yes
na
po.
sabi. Dapat kunda.
So, na po ang motion na po, Didi? For adoption of the committee report. Na kay sa second
Adoption po.
Nasala lang?
Salam.
Ano po yun, Madam Chair, if I may dabi.
Sino ang naghimo sa agenda?
Dapat ini po na number 5, nasa committee report pa po. Kung naimod nyo man po sa committee report, iba po ang number 5 dito. So, yan to po. Ang number 5 po sa committee report is nasa committee ba po ni Councilor Azur. So, dapat po, ini na number 5 niyan sa business for the day is nasa committee report
Committee
patabi
report.
ini.
Okay.
So, ang findings po sa committee po sa ni is disapproval po.
Okay. Noted.
Noted. Halin sa minutes, wala dapat ini sa minutes next session. Dapat nakalagay
Okay.
sa committee report.
Yes po, Your Honor. Business on third and final reading.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola.
I move for inclusion on second reading items number 2 and 4 except Barangay Bunga under committee report.
2 and 4 except Barangay Bunga.
Yes
Opo.
po.
Second reading.
I move for approval and
Second, Madam Chair.
Second.
Pagkat tabi,
inclusion and approval.
di ba amen?
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola, items number 2 and 4 under the committee report is included in our agenda and is approved except for Barangay Bunga.
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
may amendments po ito sa title po. Ang budget po sa Notavi, instead na 4.2 million, dapat nasa 6 million po. Something.
Noted.
Thank you.
Noted. Noted.
Okay na po. For our third and final reading, none. New business for next session. Councilor John Rainier Gordola was reminded of the resolution pertaining to the recommendation on the outcome of the inquiry on the Teachers' Day catering service.
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you po. So may may draft na po ako na may draft na po kami ni Sir Chin. Mayon si Sir Chin na draft na findings na sa himo na resolution. Mayon man po ako sa diri ko. So inaayos mi lang po ito with pertaining about the Teachers' Day catering service po. So maybe this week po mapasa ko na po ito. And sa next regular session po, maagi na po sa session po natin. Thank
Okay,
you po.
noted.
Announcement.
Announcement. Sa February 4 po, may local Lady Legislators League po sa Sorsogon. Nag-invite po sa ato si Councilor Tess Amor Gonzales. Sana po maka-attend po kita, Konsehal Neneng and Konsehal Jerry Ann Gordola. Sa February 4 po yun. Tapos, regional elections po sa February, i-forward ko na lang po sa iyo ang letter. Sana po maka-attend po kita kay malaban po ada siya gihapon as president. Ayaw po suporta. So, thank you so much.
Noted.
Announcement po from Menro, dated January 22, 2026. Cease and desist order for Mr. William U. Ray and ORE transport permit for Mr. Horace G. Listana.
Noted.
Number 2 from MTO, summary of collections from October to December 2025. Number 3, statement of cash flows from accounting office. And item number 4, letter of Mayor Romeo Gordola dated January 16, 2026, requesting for the cancellation of MDC Resolution number 27, series of 2025, PR number 2025-586, relative to the lot acquisition located at A. Bonifacio, amounting 2.5 million, for the settlement, relocation area, realigned for the establishment of municipal nursery. Privilege or Your Honor.
Privilege, Madam Chair.
Honorable Del Hililio.
Madeklarada.
Okay, diri maninikuan. So, Madam Chair, their co-counselor. So, ito po ay, ano po ito? Holy, ano po ito? Privilege hour. So, ang ating pong month of Bible month po ay ginagana po ito ng January. So, later lang, kanina po ay nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ni na Mayor. So, ang aking privilege po, sana po sa buong bulan ay mabigyan po natin ng pansin ang Bible Month, lalong-lalo na po sa iba't ibang religion ng ating sangay ng ating bulan. But ang stand po natin dito ay atin pong paramdam sa buong bulan ang atin pong Bible Month. At sapagkat po, ang sinabi po sa Bible ay Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse 7 yata yon. Sa tuwing ang aking bayan ay hanapin ng Diyos, manalangin, at humingi ng tawad, ang bayang ito ay aking pagpapalain. So, naway po na ang atin pong saligan, pag tayo po ay nagsumpa, ay naayon po sa Bible, at naway po na maramdaman po ng buong bulan na ika nga, the Bible is the guide of our life. Then the Bible is the bread of life. Then the holy voice of people is the voice of God. Sana po sa buong bulan, huwag po nating kaligtaan ito. At ito pong Bible month ay gaganapin po sa Friday, dyan po sa MTCAW. Sana po ay ang iba sa atin makadalo at mabigyan po natin, iparamdam po natin sa ating komunidad na nagpapahalaga pa rin ang bayan ng bulan about Bible Month. Salamat po, Madam Chair, para po sa maikling akin pong pananalita. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Hello. Thank you, Honorable Del Hililio. Honorable Jerian Cordola.
we already have municipal ordinance on ordinance institutionalizing the celebration of Municipal Values Formation and Moral Recovery Week every last week of January to coincide with the National Bible Week in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon. So, approved na po ito. Insalang ko po bagay last year.
Okay,
So,
thank
okay
you.
na.
Thank you sa proponent sa naghimo po sa ordinance sa Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola. Pagbibigay paghalaga no, sa celebration ng Bible Month. Are there any more privilege hour? Meron pa po? Meron pa?
Madam Chair.
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
Thank you. Motion for adjournment, Tabi.
In motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, session adjourned. Nasa likod po niyo ang mga mga OJT students, iba po doon.